What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. My name is Min Thai, and in this video I am going to show you how to do a simple Halloween nail art that I am doing on my client, because this client right here, she want each of her finger to represent some kind of Halloween theme, and we're gonna try to keep it simple. Okay, we're not trying to draw no big old canvas of pictures here, because sometimes less is more, such as we are about to add some spider web, blood dropping, abstract design, pumpkin face. Yeah, it sounds easy, but you know what? The easy thing never goes away, and it always sells. That's what I believe in. So I'm going to start out with some polishing. Start with polishing on the ring finger black. The pinky, we're going to go in with the gray. During this moment right here, I am analyzing in my head, executing the plan, how I'm going to draw this. The client on the other side, she have this Grinch smile like, ooh, I am testing him, because that's what my clients do. They love testing me to see how far they can push me with the nail art. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the crazy stuff out of the way, and that's the abstract design. So in my head, I'm thinking like, you know what? Let's create something fun. So we're going to go in with 3 colors. We're going to add the orange stripe, the black stripe, and we're going to go in with the white stripe, y'all. And we just gonna go ahead and create a line first, and we're gonna go from there. Was I nervous? Of course I was nervous, because I'm performing on my clients. I'm telling y'all, everything that I do in my tutorial is my client. So it's like, I am not trying to have no hand model where I'm making the nail I try to make the nail but sometimes you know how it is. Life's tough, y'all. You can't just get everything you want. But what I'm trying to say is, I start out by creating this art. I believe in the creation. The client is happy. You just gotta believe in yourself. That's what I'm trying to say, y'all. Okay, nail art should be fun. Don't overstress yourself. Especially it's Halloween. You know, the thing about Halloween is, I have a lot of stories to share with y'all with Halloween. I grow up, Halloween was not like every single kid's Halloween. It's not like how my kids' Halloween are. My kids, every single year, they come and they tell me, Daddy, this Halloween, this is what I want to be. You see what I'm saying? And me, when I was growing up, I never asked my parents what I want to be. I would go home on the day of Halloween, and I will be surprised by my mom, whatever she brings to me. Son, today, you're going to be an elephant. Shoot, okay, that's cool. Because you know why? I get to go trick-or-treating. So that's how I did the abstract design, y'all. I'm sorry, but sometimes I get into this emotional stage where I like to share with you my story, my background, all that while I'm showing my tutorial. But I'm going to go in with this matte top coat, because the middle finger right here, y'all, it is going to be a matte top coat base. And we're going to go ahead and create some nice shine of the spider web. The orange is where I want to do the blood dropping. And the blood dropping is going to be a black one. Even though I say blood dropping, guys, you guys get my point. What I'm trying to say is we're going to create the dropping effect. Okay? And I usually like to go in with 2 coat on the polish to make sure it looks good. And of course, the pinky, we're going to go in with the spider web. Spider web's super easy, y'all. You bring in a couple stroke. You just create a couple loops. It's going to come out the spider web. And the thing about nail art, y'all, you got to just trust the process. For real. Because if you don't trust the process, then the process ain't going to trust you. That's just the way it is. And so back to what I was saying. So I grow up, y'all, and I didn't even know what I was going to wear for Halloween. And then my mom, one day, she started putting all the scrap fabric together. And then she say, son, this is going to be. I put it on, y'all. I kid you not. I didn't even know who the hell I was. For real. I was walking Halloween with this one friend of mine. She was like, you look like Dracula. And I say, Dracula? And at this moment, y'all, trust me, English was not my strongest language. And I just walk around telling people I look like Dracula. People took at least 5 minutes, look at me up and down. And that's when they realized, oh, yeah, I can see it now. Whatever it is, because I didn't know what it was, I didn't care. But that's how I grew up with Halloween, y'all. You know? And we would go out very late. Like my parents, the thing about my parents, this right here, y'all. They might not get me the best outfit of of the costume that I want, because I probably wouldn't even know what I want to be. But they have the stamina. They have the stamina, the endurance to take you trick-or-treating late at nighttime, 11, 12, you know. Me, today, at 9 o'clock, I'm tired. My leg is tired. When I take my kids trick-or-treating, oh, y'all, I only go down 2 blocks, and I'm ready to go back home, sit on my sofa, and relax. My parents back in the day, they got endurance, yo, okay? So that's how I grow up with my Halloween versus how my kid grow up, y'all. So now that I finished the spider web, I'm going to go with the blood drop, y'all. Or you can call it water drop. Blood drop is what I like to call it. I'm going to start with the dot, and I'm going to just kind of drag it up. And I'm going to draw like a little loop again. See, everything is just a loop because I trust the process, y'all. Okay? At this moment right here, I am also worried. Like in my head, I'm like, come on, let's hope that this come out good. Let's hope that I trust the process. But at this moment also, the client, again, she's very excited. She's happy. She's loving the result. And these are the kind of stuff that's really easy to do as a nail tech. And you can really make money just adding these kind of little detail on the nails for Halloween. You know what I'm saying? And the brush that I'm using is a 7mm, y'all, brush by Honey Secret, y'all. This brush right here works great. I love these little tiny brush. When you are doing nail art, you gotta have the right brush. You gotta have the right tools. Because me growing up, we were taught to use one tool for everything because we were cheap. If you have one line brush, that line brush is going to be used for every single thing. You would draw a line with that, a circle with that, a rectangle with that, a diamond with that. You would try to draw everything with that one line brush. Nowadays, they got brushes for everything. It's like you literally need to be educated on the brush just to understand the different type of brush that does different things for the art. That's insane, right? That's why it's hard for like the older generation nail tech to keep up, y'all, because there's so much. But all of this tools right here is good to learn, is because it's gonna make your job easier. It's gonna make your job like so much better, because now when you got the right tools to perform a certain type of art, the art just become faster and more efficient. And that's just the truth. And as if you really agree what I'm saying right now, please just give me a thumbs up. You know, I'm trying to keep it real with y'all as always about the nail industry. And you know, my tutorial, I know it's kind of all over the place. I will share you stories. We will talk about it. But what I'm trying to say is all of this that I'm showing you, it's really simple stuff. Yes, I did have some hard time. This whole process took me at least a good 30 minutes, y'all, or even a little bit more, because I really want the art to come out right. You know, the nail is like a canvas. You are the artist. You got to make sure you put that art on spot. And it's looking tight, right? Like, I'm actually enjoy seeing that black and that orange coming together. Like, that just looking clean right there. And all of this that I'm doing in front of you, it's all freestyle. Like, I am not looking at any phone. I'm not looking at any picture. The clients say, hey, I want a Halloween theme. What can you do? So we just kind of make it up like that. And do I do this every day? No. I don't draw a pumpkin. I don't draw a spider web every day. I only do that during the season. But it is important that you have some kind of set of skills, of minimum skill of nail art, just to perform this kind of stuff. You know, it's not rocket science. And even if I'm doing this pumpkin right here, right? You know, I'm just trying to do the pumpkin face. I'm making it up as I'm coming along. But what you have to envision is like the theme. So it's like, yeah, it's kind of important. You kind of have to study some kind of art, some kind of like seasonal theme and all that, so you get used to that. So that's what I recommend you guys doing, because this kind of stuff right here, like, again, I say, it's really easy, fun. Clients gonna love you. And clients, they appreciate this kind of stuff. They really appreciate having people who take the time to do this kind, and they love showing off. It's fun having nail art. I can't blame them for that. But I know all you guys can do all of this. That's why I want to make this tutorial fun. But again, Halloween is crazy how I grew up, y'all. And one last time, I remember growing up for Halloween, somebody gave me 10 cents, yo. Instead of a piece of candy, homie was passing out dimes, yo. And I tell you what, growing up in the hood, you know, it's different. You get an apple, you get money, you get like all kind of stuff. Now you only see candy. You cannot see anything. The kids just have candy and it's all repetitive. It's eminent. That's the difference. Growing up, we got all kind of stuff. So now, finishing it up with the nail art. Remember I told you that middle finger, the base is gonna be matte. I am gonna go in with the top coat, and I'm just gonna top coat the spider web. By just top coat the spider web, you're going to get that effect of the matte and the gloss on the same surface. So the rest of those fingers, I'm gonna go in with the top coat, and as y'all can see, it looks pretty clean, right? I mean, please let me know in the comment what you think about this design. Like, I'm just trying to show you some simple art. Are you able to do this? I believe you can. But I'll be honest with you, something like this, it was fun to do on my clients. I charged her around $85. And this took me, I say, a good 2 hours. And you know what? At the end of the day, it was worth the 2 hour. We had fun. And look at the end, yo. Look at that. That looks really awesome. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comment what you think and what you think about Halloween themes. Do you enjoy? Other than that, I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, y'all.